Hello. So we'll continue with the problems from chapter 1. So this is our question. If star B binary operation defined on R by A star B equals 1 plus AB, that is the relation. Okay. For every AB belongs to R. Then we have to prove the operation star is commutative but not associative. Okay. So for solving this, excuse me, first of all we have to understand what is this commutative and associative property. Okay, let's see that. So commutative property means when we do A star B, it will give an answer, right? And B star A should also give the same answer. Okay, if A star B and B star A gives the same answer, then it obeys commutative property, or it has commutative property. Clear? Now associative property means when we do A star B, why this bracket? Because so the elements inside the bracket will be done first, then only we will consider the third one. Okay. So when we do A star B star C, we will get an answer, and A star B star C also gives the same answer, means it obeys the associative property. Clear? So we will see how to solve this. Okay. So these kind of problems, when it comes for exam and all, you have to mention the properties clearly at the right hand side. Okay, then only you can start the problem, because otherwise there is chance for error as well as chance to lose your mark. Okay. So our relation is A star B equals 1 plus AB. Okay. So this is A star B. So B star A will be what? 1 plus BA, right? A star B, if it is 1 plus AB, then B star A will be 1 plus BA. Just check whether both are same or not. So by seeing itself, we can understand. A into B is what? For suppose A equals 1, B equals 2. A into B is 2 times 1, that is 2. Clear? And if we do B times A, what it is? So it will be, A is 1, right? So 1 times 2 is 2. And B times A, that is 2 times 1, which is also 2. So both the answers will give both the answers will be the same, right? So we can say A star B equals B star A. Therefore this relation obeys commutative property. Okay, so this part is right. Now we have to prove it is not associative. Okay, so A star B star C. So A star B is 1 plus AB star C. Okay. So it will be 1 plus AB times C plus 1, right? See the order. So we can consider the whole as A. This is B. Okay. So what is our relation? That is 1 plus AB. Okay, that is 1 plus AB means A times B. Here A is 1 plus AB times B. B is C. Clear? So whole term is considered as A here. This is B. So AB plus 1. Same thing, right? Now multiply C inside. C times 1 is C plus A, B, C. A, B times C is A, B, C plus 1. So 1 plus C plus A, B, C. Clear? So we will do this part also. A star, B star, C. Okay. So first do this part. A star. So B star C will be 1 plus BC, right? Now this will be our A, this will be our B. Consider like that. So it will be 1 plus A times 1 plus BC, right? So what it will be? This answer will be 1 plus A should multiply inside. So A times 1 is A. A times ABC is, sorry, A times BC is ABC. So look at this answer and this answer. This is 1 plus C plus ABC. This is 1 plus A plus ABC. So from this we can say that A star B star C is not equal to A star B star C. So this relation is not associative.